kadiwa. Pero I beg to disagree po no na itong kadiwa ay nakatulong ito sa consumer natin. In fact, minimal lang po itong naitutulong nito. Saan po kinukuha, Mr. Chair, yung nilalagay natin sa kadiwa? Anong pondo po?
Yung sa kadiwa naman, to comment first on your opinion, sa ngayon talaga maliit ang tulong, I have to admit. No? Dahil 41 pa lang ang real kadiwa natin ngayon. But of course, we are targeting, ang target talaga natin dyan is 1,500 stores or more. Sa scale na 1,500, tingin ko makakatulong na yun. Kasi may economies of scale, then we can, marami tayong paraan. Ito naman sa bigas natin ngayon sa P29, 100% na yan ang gagaling sa NFA.
Okay.
Yung kanilang
Supply. Yung
aging stocks.
aging.
Tapos yung sa Rice for All now, meron din tayong galing sa local producer like NIA, yung mga NIA contract farming meron dyan. Meron din dyan imported at meron din may NFA, wala pang NFA. No? Wala pang NFA. So,
Okay. So, Mr. Chair, kasi sa mga selected areas lang po yung kadiwa na 41. So, para po mabawasan siguro yung logistics, available kasi yung ating mga market. Kung maalala nyo, Mr. Chair, Mr. Secretary, before nangyari yung lahat ng ito, before the RTL, available lagi yung 29 pesos sa mga palengke. No? So, ang mga consumers, minsan nga may nakikita ako sa mga palengke, hindi na nabibili mga 29 pesos dahil nandoon na siya parate, nakakabili ang mga mahihirap noong rice. So, gusto sana natin, Mr. Secretary, Mr. Chair, itong mga pinagbabagsakan natin ng mga sinasabi nating murang bigas ay dapat nasa palengke. So hindi na tayo mag-create pa ng pupunta ka sa DA, pupunta ka sa amin, sa Valenzuela, meron sa disiplina, yung mga ganun po. So ilagay na talaga yan sa market so that yung logistic, yung lugar, doon na kasi namimili ang ating consumers.
I honestly, I'll be very honest, Mr. Chair, that was my mistake. Noong unang pinabas yung kadiwa, I purposely did not want to enter the palengkes because I did not want to destroy the trading pattern o yung negosyo nila. Kasi maapektuhan sila pag pinasukan ng gobyerno eh. But unfortunately nga, nag-usap kami ng mga major retailers, hindi sila sumunod. Kaya medyo talagang ngayon ang direksyon ng DA ngayon at ang kadiwa, lahat ng palengke papasukan na. Thank you.
So, thank you, Mr. Secretary. Number 3, nakita natin, kumbaga sa retailer. So, siguro, Mr. Chair, para mas magiging objective tayo, ma-invite din natin yung mga retailers. Kasi kahapon, ang mga importers, sinasabi nila, ang nagpo-profiteering ay yung sa bahagi na ng retailer, which I do not agree. Kasi kung ikukumpara natin naman sa volume, yung mga retailer, konti lang yan. Doon po sa retailer, doon po sa prices, Mr. Chair, sinuggest natin kanina with some of our colleagues na dapat magkaroon ng price cap o kaya magkaroon tayo ng suggested retail price. So, ang DA po, Mr. Chair, in charge siya sa mga agriculture products. Tama po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oo, kasi ang DTI, yung mga manufactured na mga products. So, kasi kung nandoon po yung rice natin sa mga palengke, ma-monitor din natin kung talagang may nagtataas ng presyo doon sa mga retail. But for sure, hindi sa level nila yung napakalaki ang kita, Mr. Chair. Pero imbestigahan pa rin po natin yon. So, yun po, Mr. Chair, yung tatanong ko po kay Secretary. Okay, doon po sa PCC, Mr. Chair, sa PCC po, kanina po sa inyong diagram, meron po kayong in-emphasize. Asan po ang PCC? Ito si Sir. Secretariat, Comsec, pwede pong maibalik doon sa diagram ng PCC. Kasi nilagyan po ng, sabi ng PCC kanina, Mr. Chair, so meron tayong problema no, doon sa binax nila na kulay blue or kulay yellow po yata. Doon sa wholesale, importer wholesale, down to the retailer. So sinasabi natin para makita po natin talaga kung merong nagmo-monopolize o merong lumalabag sa competition law. So,
In the meantime, I recognize Congresswoman Rosas. Wala. You were covered by Congressman Prasto.
So can you elaborate on that po para maintindihan naman po ng ating mga taong bayan?
With the permission of the body, I think we had an agreement with the Secretary. He has been here since 8. So, by the leave of the body, he has very important matters to attend to.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, you want him to
yeah,
sometime?
I have just one question sana kay Secretary because I think Yusek Ases cannot answer. He's not in a position to answer this query, Mr. Chairman.
Basta ito lang.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman. In
With the
relation-
permission of Castro.
In relation to customs, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro. Yesterday, Mr. Chairman, I asked customs, no, with regards to smuggling. And they committed, well, in fact, I thought all the while that this morning, kasama po sa executive session yung customs. But yesterday, they committed, Mr. Secretary, to give us in public, in this hearing, all the list of smugglers, rice smugglers, and they have the list. Now, in your end, Mr. Chairman, addressed to Secretary Laurel, do you have also the list?
The chairman would like to say that we have the list, but we have employed 1,300 accountants and
So we cannot divulge it in public, Mr. Chairman?
we want to make sure that they are properly verified and validated.
So the same is true with the customs. We cannot divulge it, though they have committed to us yesterday.
If they so desire, but as far as DA is concerned, I think it is wise for this committee.
Okay, I will not ask, Mr. Chairman, I will not ask Secretary Laurel with regards to revealing the names, name or names.
Ang dami nun.
But,
Baka
sandali po,
maubos.
Mr. Chairman, can I finish first, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, please.
Now, what are steps in legal action, though DA is working on it?
Well, depende, no? Mr. Chair, meron tayo manahuli na onion smugglers, fish smugglers na ididemanda na namin eh.
Sa rice po.
Sa rice, nahuli namin sila, pero wala kaming, at the end of the day, binayaran lang yung tax eh.
Okay, so Mr. Chairman, kasi ako kanina, I was at the back, but I have heard that the good secretary
Pa siya kanina.
divulged the one involved in mackerel smuggling.
Rice smuggling, Mr. Chair, yun.
Yung kay, yeah,
Nikki,
you mentioned names, di ba? Mention the name of
Hindi
the,
ko na-mention kanina sa loob yun.
no, dito.
No, I did not mention. Si
The-
Kong Mickey nag-mention.
So, Kong Wiki mentioned it, and you confirm it,
The company, yes.
the company.
Yes.
So, can you, Mr. Chairman, if you mention the company of the allegedly mackerel smuggler, why we can't in public?
We will give you, Your Honor. First,
So Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. The customs